Today, let's talk about how to use the scrambling function on TD-H3. Let's take a look at the specific steps. Scrambling is mainly used to encrypt or protect the privacy and security of communication content. This technology is similar to encryption equipment. Its goal is to ensure the confidentiality of communication content and prevent it from being eavesdropped or intercepted by unauthorized third parties. First, select On, Off in the menu 46 key. Make sure all walkie-talkies that need to communicate use the same frequency to communicate normally. When the radios have the same scramble function turned on, they can communicate normally without being interfered with or eavesdropped by other radios that do not have the scramble function turned on. Note, make sure all radios involved in the communication support the scramble function and use the same key or encryption mode. Otherwise, communication will not be possible, or only garbled characters can be heard. When using the scramble function, please make sure to comply with local laws and regulations and radio management regulations. In some areas or situations, unlicensed encrypted communication may be illegal. The scramble function may have a certain impact on the performance of the radio, such as reducing the communication distance and increasing power consumption. Therefore, it is necessary to weigh the actual situation when using it. I hope this video helped you better understand the scramble function. If it helps you, please give us a like. If it didn't, you can comment on what went wrong. Thanks for watching.